welcome back. So a lot of you have been commenting on some of my videos and asking for more chocolate surprise eggs. So here we go. I got a lot here to open today. I'm super excited. I love chocolate egg surprises. They're like a win-win for me because I get really super awesome prizes plus delicious chocolate. And who doesn't love chocolate, right? So our first egg for today comes from Dino Trucks. I'll show you the flyer on each one of them. Shows all the different characters to collect. And this one tells you on the back, we got Skya. Am I saying it right? And it comes in 2 different pieces because otherwise it would be too big to fit inside of the egg. There we go. How's that? Now, look how tiny that face is. Oh my goodness. I was like, where is this thing's head? It's so little. But super, super cool, right? I love like the tractor kind of, not tractor, what do they call, like tank wheels on that one? Very, very cool. And our next one is a Kinder Egg, but that is Dora themed. And that delicious Kinder chocolate. I really, really love Kinder. It tastes awesome. Oh, this one's really full. What is going on in here? I got lots of pieces. Oh, I know what this is. Okay, let me show you the flyer real quick. That's not the flyer. This one is the flyer. Now, I don't know which character this one is. I haven't seen it. I've only gotten Dora in the past. All right, is that Diego? So what this is, it looks like a little doll, but it actually has like this magnifying glass in it, and they give you this to search for different items. These are the items, and each item has like a point to it, and depending on which one you find, you get a certain amount of points. So you can play by yourself or you can play with a friend. I'll put it together and I'll show you how it works. All right, so here is Diego all put together. You get to put the stickers on him for his face and his body and his arms and legs. And then on the back, you see there's a little piece you move up, and that takes out the little magnifying glass. And then you use it to search for the items. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this on the camera, but it's so cool because like you can actually find things. I just found like a little bird. Let me see the bird. So I got 20 points for the bird, and then you take a turn and you guys see how it works. Very cute. I love Kinder Surprises. They got like really clever toys in there usually. Our next one comes from Plants vs. Zombies. I always love when I get a zombie because they're really cool looking. Oh, I got a cracked egg already. Just makes it easier to get in there and get to the toy. I see a lot of green. I'm going to think we have a plant. Here is the flyer. We definitely got a plant, right? What did we get? We got bok choy. Oh my goodness. Let me put them together. And there's our character all put together. I know I said I wanted a zombie, but that's a pretty cool plant as well, right? I like this big thing on top of his head. I'm sure it's just leaves, but it looks really awesome. Next we have a PJ Masks. Another sweet egg. The flyer. Does it tell us who? It does. We got Owlette. Owlette came out without her head on. There we go. There is self-assembly required with lots of these surprises. Next we have a Peppa Pig egg. And more sweet eggs. Sweet chocolate, right? There's our flyer. And we got Mummy Pig. I dropped a piece here. It's her legs, of course. There she is. Next is an egg from the Powerpuff Girls. My goodness, another sweet egg. There we go. The flyer. We got Bubbles. Oh, Bubbles came out in 3 different pieces. Oh my gosh, their heads are so big, right? There she goes. Very cool. I love that pose. That's awesome. Next is Minnie Mouse. What happened to this egg? The flyer. And we got Minnie sitting in a chair. Oh, and she came out in one piece. That's awesome. Very, very cute. And next is a Kinder Surprise egg for girls. Look, my egg is open already. That makes it look very easy. Oh, look at that. But I gotta unwrap my milk chocolate. How will I ever eat it inside the wrapper, right? This is a mixed art egg. We got little froggies, and it looks like they're going to do some painting. Oh, this one's super easy. So here are your two paint colors, green and pink. Your little frog has the brush on the bottom. You can perch him right on top there, kind of like on a lily pad. And then you get a little bit of water, and you add it to the colors, and then you can paint with your froggy brush. Very cute. Down to our next row, we have another Kinder Surprise. This time it's from Cartoons. That was a good pop. Oh, what is this one? Oh, I got a sticker. Okay, so of course, lots of different animals. What is this going to be? I have no idea. Looks like some kind of little ring, maybe. Oh, I think it's a stamper. I'll put it together and we'll check it out. Okay, so here it is all put together. Super cute little ring. I can wear it. It even fits on my finger. And you pull like the cap off here. And underneath is a little rubber stamper of a paw print in a beautiful blue color, and you can make tracks. That's cute, right? That's fun. You can lead somebody to something, right? Oh, I like that. Those are adorable. And our next one comes from Miraculous. Ooh, that's a pretty label, right? And here's our flyer. And we got Ladybug. And of course she comes out in two pieces. Check out that pose. Pretty cool. Oh, next is a Smurfs egg. I haven't opened a Smurfs egg in a really long time. And the coolest part about the Smurf egg, it's blue. Isn't that awesome? The first time I saw it, I was like, no way, I got a blue egg. I was very, very excited. And inside is our flyer, shows all the different cool Smurf characters you can get. You can even get Azrael or Gargamel. And it looks like we got Brainy Smurf. Oh, he's got lots of pieces. Ta-da! So here's, look, he even gets to put his little glasses on. How cool is that? I love this one. Oh my goodness. Let's see if he stands up. He does, yay! Oh, I'm excited about this one. I've never opened a Hotel Transylvania Egg. Oh, what? I never opened one, and I might not open one today either. This is Dory. What is going on here? This says Finding Dory on the label. I think somebody put the wrong egg inside of the Hotel Transylvania box. Now, sometimes this has happened to me before where the label is different from the box, but the toy still matches the box. So let's see what we get. This is going to be a surprise to everyone. It is Hotel Transylvania, yay! Oh good, I'm so happy. It's so funny when that happens. So here's all the different characters. I'm so excited. We got Dennis. Oh my goodness, and look at that hair. It's hilarious. Oh my gosh, look at him. He looks so creepy. What? Let's get all that hair on there. There we go. That's better. Oh my gosh, it is so funny, right? And he's dressed up like a vampire. I love it. I'll put you over here. All right, next one. Oh, I almost skipped Angry Birds. Is it really Angry Birds? I think it is. Yay! And we got a white chocolate and milk chocolate egg combined. That's pretty cool too. Oh, looks like we got a deck of cards here. So you can get, yep, it's a domino card game. You can get a little camera. You get lots of little stuff. Oh, there's a memory card game too. Oh, we got domino cards. Let's check them out real quick. I love these little tiny decks of cards. I think they're so super cool. If I can get them out. There we go. Yep, they come all attached, and then you just gotta separate them in order to play the game. Pretty cool, right? That's a lot of cards. I'm gonna put them back here behind our eggs. And our next egg, oops, comes from Alvin and the Chipmunks. Alvin! Is that Alvin? Nope. Nope, that is a Phineas and Ferb label, which I love Phineas and Ferb, so that'd be pretty cool too. Oh, this is so funny. So what's going to be inside, do you think? It's Alvin and the Chipmunks. I think somebody needs to be retold how to do their job at the egg factory. So we got Alvin. It's so funny, right? There we go. Got the big A on his sweater, of course. Very cool. And another Kinder Chocolate Surprise Egg. This time it's from the Justice League. Oh, check it out. So here's our little figure. I think I remember these. I think if you move like this little hair bun back, the arms move up and down. And it comes with a little string. You could string that through there. I'm not quite sure why you'd want to, but okay. Let's take a look at the flyer. Maybe that'll show us something. So these are all the different characters you can collect. And, oh, it's so you can like hang them, I guess, from something, carry them with you. All right, that's pretty cool, I guess. Okay, sorry. I just like checking it out. And next we have a Marvel Civil War Captain America egg. Whoa, so these are all the different characters. And we got Gila. Am I saying that right? I think it's Gila. Whoa, check this out. That is crazy looking. Oh, look how big this one's going to be. Oh, no, not really. Okay. I thought it was going to go all the way down here like this, but it goes up there. That's a cape. Very, very cool looking character. What do you think, right? Oh, my goodness. I'll put you right here. Okay, down to our last layer on the bottom. We have a Paw Patrol egg with Marshall. Another white chocolate and milk chocolate. That's super yummy. Oh, okay. I've seen these ones before. This is really cool. So these are all the different characters you can get. And guess what? They glow in the dark. Who did we get? We got Sky. Yay. So check her out. She's like all glow in the darky. And she's a total like puzzle piece to put together. So I'm going to get to work putting this together. We'll take a good look at her. And then we'll turn the lights off and see her glow. Okay, so check out Sky. I put her all together. It was like doing a puzzle. Not very easy. Some of these pieces were super tiny. Like, look at that little paw. And I had to put all of those on. But it's done. She's all put together. So now let's see how well she glows in the dark. There we go. All right, so she glows pretty well. Not bad. I think the longer you leave her in the light, the brighter it should glow. And next we have a strawberry shortcake one. Another pretty label. Now I'm pretty sure this is going to be a doll that I'm going to have to put together. Aw, super cute, right? Let's take a quick look at the flyer. And these are the instructions. All right, I'll put it together. So look how big and pretty this one comes out. It gives you little stickers to put her outfit on, her pants, her top, her little headband. Comes on a little display stand, and it's actually really, this one is very easy to put together. Super, super cute. And it's actually really, really big. Okay, all right, next one comes from Ben and Holly's Little Kingdom. Flyer, and we got Daisy. Oh, and she comes out all in one piece, which is fabulous. She's got a little wings, a crown, a little wand. Super, super cute. And what is this one? Next we have, what is this, Dragon Balls? Yep, we got a Dragon Balls egg. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this looks very similar to our sky one. Oh, but there's a really big piece here that should hopefully make it a lot easier to put together. So it looks like we got another glow in the dark character, which they are pretty cool. We'll see how good this one glows. We got Gohan. I hope I'm saying that right. All right, I'll put them together and we'll check it out. It definitely looks easier than Sky was. Okay, so here is this one all put together. It took me a fraction of the time as it took to put together Sky. Look how much bigger this one is, too. Oh, my goodness. All right, so let's hit the lights and see how well this one glows. All right, this one actually seems a little bit brighter, right? That's pretty cool. I love it. And our next one comes from the stroller. Another very pretty wrapper. Oh, and more white chocolate. Oh, looks like we got another doll. Very cute. Got to put it together. Another puzzle type surprise. Did we get Chamoy? I think so. Yep. Okay, I'll put it together. We'll check her out. And there she is. Very, very, very cute. And this looks like a super cool egg. This is a Kinder Surprise from Jurassic World. I haven't opened any of these yet either. Nor have I seen the movie because it really looks kind of scary. I hope our prize isn't scary. Oh, what is going on here? Okay, it looks like it's in pieces. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's like a little like stage kind of thing, I think. Let's look at the flyer. All right, this looks really, really cute. Shows in the front all the different ones to collect. All right, so here it is all put together, but what's really cool about it, you open it and it's like the dinosaur skeleton. How cool is that? And then you can put this together, so you can either put it all together in one piece and have like one dinosaur, or you can click these together, and now you have a blue dinosaur and a skeleton. Ah! And next we have a princess egg. We went from dinosaurs to princesses. Like total opposites. All the different figures you can get, different princesses, and oh, we got Snow White. So she comes in, I would say a few different pieces. Put her in her gown, and then you put on her hair. There she is. That looks much better. And our last one, speaking of princesses, comes from Frozen. I see Olaf. There's all the different figures. And we got Queen Elsa. Where's her head? There it is. Oh my goodness. It was under her dress. That's funny. There she goes. Absolutely beautiful. All right, guys, so that's a lot of awesome surprises we got today. Leave me a comment. Let me know which one was your favorite for today. If I have to choose a favorite, it's going to be this awesome, humongous pile of chocolate. All right, guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me and checking it all out. Be sure to come back. Don't forget to subscribe to see lots more toys and surprises every single day here on Cam's Toy Box. I'll see you real soon. Bye now.